Hello, my dear children. Welcome to Think Maths. In this session, we are going to discuss about Math Olympiad questions for class 2. So, this is part 3. In part 3, we have questions from 21 to 30. In part 1, we discussed questions from 1 to 10. And in part 2, we discussed questions from 11 to 20. So, its link is given in the description. If you have missed it, you can view the video. Okay, children? So, let us get into the video. 21. Question number 21. Write a subtraction number sentence based on the picture. So there is a picture of skateboards. We have to write the subtraction number sentence. So subtraction number sentence means first we have to add how many number of skateboards are there. So without taking out this cross, we have to add all the skateboards and that subtract the number which is crossed out. Okay, children. Now let us count how many skateboards are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So totally we have 13 skateboards. From this, how many skateboards are crossed? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 boards are crossed. So 13 minus 4 is 9. How do we get 9 from this? So we can count that from the picture. So which are all not crossed out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So from the picture we can get the answer. So where is 13 minus 4 equal to 9? So option A is the right answer. Okay. So next question. Aman and his dog Tuffy walked 3 blocks from the park to the store. Then they walked home. The total distance they walked was 16 blocks. How many blocks is it from the store to Ellie's home? Write a subtraction number sentence that fits the story. Now what is given? So they will give just options, not these pictures. To understand easily, I have given these pictures. So from the park, they walked 3 blocks to the store. What happened next? Then they walked back home. So the total distance from park to store, then from store to home, the total distance is 60. We have to find out the distance from store to Ellie's home. What happens here? They will walk to and fro to from park to the store. So there will be these 3 blocks appearing 2 times because they will walk from park to store with 3 blocks. Again store to the park 3 blocks. So they have to return home. So they will come back and go to home. So what we have to do? So how many blocks are there in total? In total we have 16 blocks. So these 3 blocks appears twice. So we have to take out once. So 16 minus 3. So it will be 13 blocks. So if you take out 16, so there are totally 16 blocks from this. If we take out 13, it will be 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 16 minus 3 is equal to 13. So which option is the right answer? Option B. So, how many blocks is it from the store? From the store to Ellie's home, it is 13 blocks. So, if we write the subtraction number sentence, it is 16 minus 3 equal to 13. Okay, children? So, next question, 23. Swati's pizza has 18 pieces. She ate 6 pieces. How many pizzas are left with her? So left means we have to subtract. Okay. Left remaining all this means we have to subtract. So in this pizza is divided into 18 pieces. From 18 pieces, Swati ate 6 pieces. We have to find out the value of 18 minus 6. what we can do? We can keep 18 in mind. And then we have to keep 6 in our finger. So as it is subtraction, we have to go before 18. What is before 18? It is 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12. That is, you have to keep 18 in your mind and 6 in your finger. So if it is subtraction, you have to go before this number. So before 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12. So there will be 12 pieces left. So where is 12? Option A is the right answer. So next question 24. What shape is this? I think you all know this shape. This shape represents a cone. Where is the cone? Option D is the right answer. Do you all know the other shapes? Sphere, cube, cylinder. How will be the shape of a cube or sphere? So this is the shape of a sphere. Okay, ball, globe, marbles, they are all shape of a sphere. So this is the shape of a sphere. So this represents sphere. How will be the cube? Yeah. So this is Rubik's cube. So all sides will be square. It is a two-dimensional shape. So this is the shape of a cube. What is the shape of the cylinder? Yeah, it's coming. So this is the shape of a cylinder. One more shape, do you remember? It is nothing but cuboid. So if all two sides are in rectangle, then it is the cuboid shape. So this is nothing but cuboid. Okay, children. So moving on to the next question. Compute 12 into 4 plus 8 into 4. So we have to compute this value. So just if you check here, this multiplication into 4 appears for both the calculation. So it is 12 into 4 plus 8 into 4. We have to do the multiplication first. Now, before that, we have to do the brackets. That is the rule. So, if both have the same multiplication, we can take that multiplication as common. This is called distributive law. Next, we can club these numbers. So, what happens? Inside the bracket, into 4 is common. So it will come outside the bracket and this plus is outside the bracket. It will come inside the bracket. So what are the remaining numbers? It is 12 and 8. Okay. So this is called distributive law. So just I will explain again. It is 12 into 4 plus 8 into 4. So put a bracket for multiplication. We have to do the multiplication first. Now in the bracket we have into 4 as common. So take that into 4 in bracket outside. So what will come inside? Who is outside? Plus is outside. So it will come inside. Which numbers will come? The remaining two numbers 12 plus 8. So this is called distributive law. Now we have to do this bracket first. 12 plus 8. So what is 12 plus 8? Keep 12 in your mind and 8 in your finger. So we have 10 fingers. We need only 8 fingers for this. So I will take out 2 fingers. Okay, children. So these 2 fingers are not needed. Just raise only 8 fingers. So what is the problem? This 12 minus 8. So keep 12 in your mind and 8 in your finger. So it is 12 plus 8. Okay, so plus means you have to go after. So after 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So up to 8 fingers, the answer is 20. So 12 plus 8 is 20. So write the bracket answer first. Then write what is remaining into 4. So this 20 is in tens. So if it is in tens, how many zeros will have in tens? Only one zero. Write that one zero. Now we have to calculate 2 into 4. I think you all know the 4 table. Yes. So this is the 4 table. So how do we calculate? So first we have to write this 0. How many zeros are there? Only one 0 is there. Next we have to multiply these two numbers. 2 into 4. 2 into 4 or 4 into 2. Because multiplication and addition are commutative. So if we interchange, the answer will not change. So 4 into 2. So what is 4 into 2? 4 into 2 is 8. Okay. So 4 into 2, 8. So this makes 20 into 4 is equal to 80. So the answer is 80. Okay. So you can also multiply 12 into 4 and then multiply 8 into 4 and add both the answers. This is also right. But this way it is easy to calculate because it will change to tens and you can just multiply 2 into 4. It makes 80. So 80 is the correct answer. Moving on to the next question. Julie can run at a speed of 100 meters every minute. How far can she cover in 5 minutes? So what does this sentence makes? She covers 100 meters every minute means in 1 minute she covers 100 meters. Julie covers 100 meters. How far she can cover in 5 minutes? So 1 minute 100 meters. In 5 minutes it is increasing. So we have to multiply 5 into 100. Okay. What is 5 into 100? If your number ends with zeros, just count the zeros. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros. Write the 2 zeros and multiply the numbers. 5 into 1 is 5. So the answer is 500 meter. So the option B is the right answer. So next question, 27. How many days are there in June? Not June, August. How many days are there in August? So you know one easy trick, that is you have to hold your fingers. If you hold your fingers, you can see some ups and downs. Okay. So using that ups and downs, you can easily find out number of days in each month. What is that trick? So if it is on top, it is 31 days. If it is down, it is 30 days. So January is on top, so 31 days. February is an exception. So it will have 28 or 29 days according to whether it is leap year or not. So March is on top. So it will have 31 days. April is down, 30 days. May again top, 31 days. June is down, so 30. July is on top, so 31. Again in the next figure you will get the top. So you will get 31 days for August, September down, 30, October on top, 31, November down, 30, December on top, so 31. So August marks 31 days. So option C is the right answer. Okay children. So next question. Round each number to the nearest 10. After that, we have to add. Okay. So, it is given that we have to round each number to the nearest tens place. Now, what is the first one? It is 14 plus 57. So, let us take the first number line. So, in the first number line, we have marked the numbers from 10 to 20. So why it is marked from 10 to 20? So here I am taking 14. So what is before tens place? It is 10. After tens place is 20. So I mark the numbers from 10 to 20. So 14 is here. Now check the distance before and distance after. So which is near? This distance is lesser. So 10 is the nearest place for 14. So it becomes 10 plus Next number line is for 57. So where is 57? This here. So this is near another 110, that is 60. Another tens place is 50. So who is nearest? So look at this line. This line is shorter. So the nearest tens place is 60. So it is 10 plus 60. Next one, 26 plus 63. So let us take this number line for 26. So before 26, the nearest 10 is 20. After 26, the nearest 10 is 30. So it is 20 to 30. So where is 26? It is here. So the distance between the 30 and 26 is this. And the distance between 20 and 26 is this. So if you check, this number line is shorter. So 30 makes the nearest 10 for 26. So it is 30 plus. So for 63, let us take this number line. So it is marked from 60 to 70. Okay. So where is 63? 63 is here. So check the distance. So if we check the distance on both sides of tens, we check this distance is smaller. So 60 is the nearest 10. So it is 30 plus 60. Now we have to add these two numbers. So it is 10, 60. Okay. So 110 and 6 tens. What makes 6 tens plus 1 tens? So it is just simple. So add these zeros and just add the tens place. 6 plus 1. So first keep the bigger number in your mind. So 6 in your mind and 1 in your finger. So after 6, it is 7. So the answer is 70. Next one, 30 plus 60. So 3 tens and 6 tens. So it is tens. So 0 plus 0, it is 0. What is 3 plus 6? So again keep the bigger number 6 in your mind and 3 in your finger. So after. So you are adding. So adding means after. So after 6, 7, 8, 9. So it makes 90. So 30 plus 60 is 90. So where is 70 comma 90? So 70 comma 90 is in option D. So option D is the right answer. Okay children. Moving on to the next question. Question number 29. How much money is there? So we have 10 rupee notes. So this is rupees 10 and 2 rupee coin and 5 rupee coin, another 5 rupee coin and 10 rupee coin. We have to add all this. How much money is there? So first we will add these tens. There are two tens. So 10 plus 10. One 10 and another 10 makes two tens. So 10 plus 10 is 20. Okay. So 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 1, 2. So this way our 110 plus 110 is 210. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 20. Next we are going to add 5. First 5. What is 20 and 5? 20 and 5 makes 25. Next we are going to add another 5. So 25 plus 5. So keep 25 in your mind and 5 in your finger. So if you keep 5 in your finger, you are going to add. Okay. So adding means after number. So after 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So the answer is 30. Next we are going to add 2 rupees. So what makes 30 and 2? 30 and 2 makes 32. So 32, option D is the right answer. Okay children. Last question. There are 20 questions in mathematics quiz. For each correct answer, 5 marks will be given. 2 marks will be deducted for a wrong answer. So this is the rule. So there are 20 questions. Okay. So there are 20 questions Each question carries 5 marks. So what is the answer? 0 into 5, 0. 2 into 5, it is 10. So totally they have 100 marks. What is the rule? 2 marks will be deducted. Deducted means subtracted. So they will take away 2 marks for wrong answer. So if the answer is wrong, they will take away 2 marks. So take away means they will subtract 2. How many questions does Aryan answer wrongly if he scores 72 marks? Okay, his score is 72. Okay, now we have to find out how many marks he missed. So it is 100 minus 72. How will you subtract? So 0, first you have to write the place value. Hundreds, tens, ones. Always start the calculation from the ones place. So in ones place we have 0. So 0 minus 2 is not possible. What we have to do? From the before number we have to take a number. So from the before number we have 0. So now from 100th place we have to take out. So this becomes 0 because before one is 0 and we have to take that to tens place. So this will become 10. Okay. So from 10 we can take one number here. So what happens? This will become 9 and this will become 10. Okay. So now I will write it again here. 100 minus 72. So from 1 we are taking out. So this will become 0. So from 1 if we take here, this will become 10. From 10 if we take here, this will become 9 and this will become 10. Okay. So now we have to subtract 10 minus 2. So keep 10 in your mind and 2 in your finger. So 10 is in your mind, 2 is in your finger. What is the calculation? Subtraction. So we have to go before. So what is before 10? It is 9, 8. So the answer is the last number 8. So 10 minus 2 is 8. Next we have to do 9 minus 7. So keep 9 in your mind and 7 in your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So before 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. So the answer is 2. So how many marks does he lost? He lost 28. So Aryan lost 28 marks. Okay. So he lost 28 marks. Now how much mark will be deducted? Is it just 2? No. It's not just 2. So he didn't write some questions. For one question, if it is wrong, they will deduct 2 marks as well as they will not give the 5 marks allotted to that question. So totally 7 marks will be deducted because 5 plus 2 is 7. 5 after 5, 2 fingers, 6, 7. So 5 plus 2 is 7. So totally they will deduct 7 marks. So from 28 it is deducted 7 marks. For each question, they will deduct 7 marks. So, how many questions are there? So, we have to do division. Okay. For each question, 7 marks is deducted. So, totally 28 marks are deducted. To find the number of questions, we have to divide by 7. So, how many 7s are? Do you all remember the table? 7 table. Yes. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 threes are 21. It is 7 fours are 28. So it is 7 into 4. So 28 divided by 7 is 4. So if it is division, this 7 is the divisor. So how many times? It is 4 times. 4 times 7 is 28. So 28 by 7 is 4. So for 4 questions, the answer is wrong. So the option B is the right answer. Do you all understand this question? So just I will explain again. There are 20 questions, each question 5 marks. So totally we will have 100 marks. 20 into 5 equal to 100 marks. So 2 marks are deducted for a wrong answer. So if it is wrong, 2 marks will be deducted. How many questions does Aryan answer wrongly if he scores 72? So his score is 72. So how many marks he lost? 100 minus 72, which we got as 28. So he lost 28 marks. Okay. Now, for each question, how many marks will be deducted? It is said that for wrong answer, 2 marks will be deducted. So it means 2 marks will be deducted. Also, 5 marks allotted to that question will not be given. So totally 7 marks will be deducted. So for 28, we have to divide by 7 to get number of questions, because for total 28, 7 marks are deducted. So for each question, how many marks? So just we have to divide by 7 to get the answer. So 28 divided by 7. So how many times 7 is 28? It is 4 times. 4 times 7 is 28. Okay. So the answer is 4 questions are wrong. So option B is the right answer. Okay, children. I hope you can understand all these problems. If you can understand, just like, share, and if you are a good student, just subscribe to this channel by showing your support. Okay, children? Bye.